in South Carolina now, walking around the swamp, trying to find birds, trying to find gators, trying to find anything. It's a hot, sunshiny day. I have a jacket on. I wasn't really thinking, wasn't really prepared. I don't know what my problem is. Hopefully we see some birds, maybe. I should also mention I am just off of Hilton Head, South Carolina, just north of Savannah, Georgia is where I'm at right now. So I'm here today yet. Tomorrow I leave. Tomorrow I head south through Savannah down to St. Augustine, then over to Panama City area. Still no birds. No birds, no birds, no birds. Well, according to the locals, or at least the few that I've talked to, the time to come here for birds is March and April. It's not March and April. It's November. No birds. Although, I saw a baby alligator. Here's the picture of that. So where I was just at is supposed to be a national wildlife refuge. It's more like a city park. Kids running everywhere, out into the water. This, again, National Wildlife Refuge. It's supposed to be a safe haven, a refuge for animals, not a park, not a zoo. Take your damn kids there. Ugh, people. No birds.